check out the garden today, you guys. Garden is doing well. It doesn't look like much, but we've got some little things growing. So right here in the first bed is microgreens. Here we have collard greens, more collard greens. Also red and green cabbage. So I know that all my seedlings look really small, but I'm hoping they'll survive our semi-cold winter. Here's what I'm most excited about. These are the sugar and snap peas, and they're coming up really well. I've never grown them before and love eating them, so I'm really excited. So I have a lot down each of these little trellises. So excited. Brussels sprouts. I have green and red Brussels sprouts. Only a few of them survived. We had a lot of heavy rain. There are more purple or red Brussels sprouts than green, which is really cool. So we'll see what happens. It's all an experiment. The spinach is looking good. Also, my first time growing spinach, believe it or not, and we eat a lot of spinach, so it's looking good. I mean, I could actually pick some baby spinach if I wanted to, but I'm going to go ahead and let it get a little bigger. Next, we have some carrots. Also, kind of sparse, but they'll fill in, and maybe I'll throw some other things in to fill in, but looking kind of empty down the way there. Then I have some kale. Yum, yum, yum. Love kale. Kale in smoothies. So easy, so healthy. It grows so big. Here's my sunflower. I just don't feel like this sunflower about winter, guys. It's gonna be okay. These are the turnips and the strawberries and the radishes. They're all in this little area. So I'll be covering the strawberries soon when it gets very soon, actually. They've gotten a few cold snaps. Time to go to sleep. But I'm really happy about the turnips. These are some Japanese turnips. Nagasaki, they're called. I'm excited for them this year. I got them started early enough this year. I think I might get some. And these radishes look so yummy. There's white and red radishes. It's time to go ahead and pick a few of these and throw them in a salad and throw down some more seeds. Next is broccoli. These are so tiny. I really don't know how they're going to survive, but we've had two frosts, about 32 degrees exactly, and they're fine. I didn't cover them. I didn't do anything. I'm low maintenance gardener, you guys. I want to see what can survive. I should have started them earlier, but here are some onions. You guys remember watching me plant these? They all have little green coming out. I'm probably going to mulch around the bottom of them pretty soon. Kind of give them a little protection, but they've been fine through the frost as well. Here are the other onions, and what I think is funny is all of these are little tomato plants because this is where that tomato was. So it is just trying to grow a bunch of tomatoes, but also you can see the yellow onions are sprouting too. Here's some very dead basil with a little piece of non-dead basil. I don't know what happened, but that part did not get hit by the frost. Elephant ears also got hit by the frost, so I chopped them down for the winter. They'll come back. And then, guys, this is just me. I am putting fertilizer on my garden. It's juice from my composter that dripped out of the bottom, and then in that bucket, in that wagon there is just rainwater. So I'm combining the compost juice with the rainwater. Thank you for joining me today. This is me going out to get a thumbnail and just love on my garden. So happy growing, and I'll see you in a month.